Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to learn how to do this beautiful fluffy kinky braids, and without wasting much time, let's get right into the video. Now in this video I'm going to use fluffy kinky long 2 packs only. So it depends with what the client wants, depends with the size the client wants. And to start, I'm going to section a hair into 40 pieces. I sectioned a hair into 40 pieces because the pieces in the packs are 20 in each pack. So I have to make sure that they all fit, because you don't want to section your hair and then you find out that the hair is not enough. So make sure you section your hair according to the number of pieces in the packs, okay? So, and also make sure that your partings are very neat. I always say invest time in doing the partings, because if they don't come out neatly, the whole style is gonna be ruined. All right, as you can see in the video how I've done my partings, and here already I've sectioned the hair in 40 pieces. So I use a rubber band just to secure them first, then I'll remove them later when I'm attaching the braids. Okay, and for this hair I love it because it's very light. It is very light and it's painless. The process is painless, and I'll show you how we're going to do it to attach the braid. And remember, we're going to attach the braid according to the client's desire. So here I cut the braid just a little bit because the client wanted very long ones. So I just cut a small section on one side, okay? And then with the natural hair, I'm going to section it into 2 first. Then I put the braid in the middle. Just watch the video carefully. I section a hair twice and then put the braid in the middle and then secure it. Make sure it's very secure. And then now I take a black yarn, all right, and use a yarn, the color that corresponds with the color of the client's braid. So here if it's black, I'm using black. If it's brown, use a brown yarn, all right, so that you don't have some mix up. And then I secure it from the bottom. As you can see, I secure it tight and nicely. So just round it off a few times to make sure it's tight and secure from the bottom first, okay? So I'm rounding it off, and then I'm going to tie it 2 or 3 times, because we don't want the client hair to come off when maybe they're doing their swimming or walking out there. So make sure it's very secure. So tight it up 2-3 times, not once, 2 to 3 times. And then now I'm going to separate the braid with the natural hair, and then I twist them separately. So I'm twisting them separately, and then now I merge them together. And be very gentle when you're doing this style. You don't want everything to be tight, okay? Yeah, so just twist, follow the waves on the fluffy kinky braid, and they're going to guide you. And your ending should be where her natural hair is ending. And then now also the same yarn you are using to tie in the first place is going to secure the end. So make sure you use a long one. So as you can see here, I'm securing it and I'm tying it 2 to 3 times. Yeah, so here I'm tying the hair, and then I'm gonna cut off the yarn using a scissor. And you can see finally it's very secure and it looks very natural. Yeah, I was very brief on this tutorial because this style is very easy to attach and it doesn't take so much effort. And if you haven't understood anything, just watch the video again keenly and you'll get. So you do the same thing on the whole head, as long as you have your partition ready according to the number of braids that you have. And that's it. You'll get to achieve this style, and it's very painless. As you can see, the client can just sway them around without feeling any pain. Yeah, so that's it from me today, guys. I hope you learned something, and remember to subscribe to my channel for more updates, and I'll be posting more tutorial videos. So Do not forget to turn on the post notifications bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video, and also give this video a like, and do not forget to share it with your friends so that we all learn together.